guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful video for you guys. So in case today is your first time, my name is EYERYDAY, YouTube name Black and Shine. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. I make video on hair, gele, makeup and many other interesting videos you can find in this channel. So today's video is a sponsored video from Ft.Dyhair 777. So if you haven't seen their wig, today is the best day for you to see what their hair look like. Is a pure virgin hair. So guys, this is how the package arrived in Nigeria. This is it. It was sealed like this. They sent it through DHL. To be honest with you guys, when I saw this wig, I was like, what is this? So as you can see, so this is another bag where they wrapped the hair. Hey, just look at this baby. You see the hair? It came in a U-part, which is what you are seeing right here. This is how the hair came in. So I'm going to be cutting off this when I want to style it. As you can see, my hair is very short, but I can still rock my wig. So guys, let's talk about this hair. This hair, the quality, what you are seeing here is exactly how the hair is. There is no difference. So guys, my judgment at first when I saw this hair was wrong. I think I passed my judgment earlier. The quality is superb. So guys, I can't just come up here and start lying to you guys that the quality of this hair is like this while it's not like that. So before I come up here to do a review about any hair, know ye that that hair is very, very beautiful, and the quality is something that when you buy, you won't regret it at all. So let's talk about the inside of this cap. One, the inside cap they use stretches, as you can see here. Just check it out. So it can size any hair. You don't have issue with that. Aside that, they still had adjustable strap. Then this hair came with 6 comb. Can you just imagine 6 comb to help it secure very well on your head, so you don't need, hey, my wig has fallen off, or no. So guys, let's brush the hair and see whether it shades or not. So this is it. First of all, let me show you my brush. This is it. So let's brush together. You see how easy it's going. Even when you are sleeping, you can be brushing this hair. So let's brush it very well. So let me show you guys. This is the comb. Do you see anything? Do you see? Nothing. You can pack it as a ponytail hair. This wig is a must have in every home. So kindly visit the description box and use my coupon code for a discount. So check out the hair. So guys, we are going to go ahead and style this hair so that you see how it is. So guys, this is the final result after I have styled the U parts wig from EYERYDAY 777. How do you see it? For me, I'm blushing and this hair is beautiful. To be frank with you guys, this hair is all you need to have at home. Imagine when I was like coiling it, the way it was bouncing, I was expecting to see some shading, but no, I did not see anything. And see the way, even though my hair is still too small, see the way it relaxes and blended as well. I love this hair. The color matches with that of my hair. The length of this hair is 16 inches and is a deep wave. So guys, I'm enjoying this baby. I'm enjoying this hair. You see it? Let me come closer. You see the wave? See the wave? See it? Just take a look. I love everything about this EYERYDAY 777. You need to check this company. They are doing amazing job with their hair production. You need to check it out. You need to order. Use my coupon code to get a discount. That's all you need. Just visit the description box. This hair is all you need to have. Just check this baby out. So in the package they sent to me, they gifted me this, and it is written Queen. So I can use this to style my hair because I'm a queen. So you can just attach it anywhere. Oh baby, just check out this. You can as well pack it anyhow you feel like. You can tie it if you wish. You see it? See? You can pack it up. I can decide to tie my hair and I'm still rocking it. So guys, you need to check this hair company. They are doing amazing job with their hair production. Check out, order and use my coupon code to get a discount of some dollars. So guys, I love this hair. The shading is not much. Let's see again. Guys, you see? You see? Even as I'm brushing it, still bouncing back. This is 16 inches in length. The density is 130 and is still full. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you have learned something how to style your U-parts wig at home without visiting the salon. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see you on my next video. Remember to visit EYERYDAY 777 for your own hair.